Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy hand embroidery, beautiful design, and crochet ideas. Hand embroidery is a great hobby that has many benefits for both your physical and mental health. Here are some of the benefits of hand embroidery, like reduces stress and anxiety. Embroidery is a great way to relax and de-stress. The repetitive motion of stitching can be very calming, and the focus required to create a piece of embroidery can help to take your mind off your worries. Boost creativity and self expression. Embroidery is a great way to express your creativity and individuality. You can choose your own patterns, colors, and stitches to create something truly unique. This can be a great way to boost your self confidence and self esteem. Is a relaxing and meditative hobby. Embroidery can be a very relaxing and meditative hobby. The repetitive motion of stitching can help to calm the mind and focus the attention. This can be a great way to de-stress after a long day. So you can enjoy these videos, different ideas. Thank you so much.